Hello, I'm going to walk through the steps on how to pay for a student's instrument rental. The first thing you do is log into the Infinite Campus Parent Portal. From there, you'll click on the school store. Then you want to click on the school your student is going to be renting an instrument from. And you'll see that an instrument rental tab pops up here. You can click on that tab. Then you can choose a student for instrument rental from this dropdown on the right-hand side. If you have more than one student in the district, the student at this particular school will be in bold. Students that are not in this particular school will be grayed out. The price is $75. If you've been approved for educational benefits, then this will be $15. If that price is not reflected online through Infinite Campus, then you want to contact the teacher so that your student can get an instrument to play with. Make sure that you read the instrument rental agreement. Once you read through it, there's no way to digitally sign this. So by renting an instrument, adding it to your cart, and paying for it, you have agreed to the rental agreement. So that's all you need to do. Add it to your cart and check out, and then your student can get an instrument for the year.